Oh, it's so good to have my cats back, whānau. Chippy! Good morning. So I'm just out here having my morning coffee, having some morning rubs with our cats. Oh, look at that! Yes, to Chippy, Frankie. Stop getting jelly bean. Come on. You can share me. Chippy. Chippy's our tabby one, whānau. And our ginger tabby is Frankie. She's just been home about a week. And Trippy's been home about 3 weeks. So they just got home from the Cat Society. And they're all now fixed, so no more kittens. Yay! So they were cooped up for a good 3 months, which is the longest time of their life. Because they used to, hey, Frankie, hey, out of my garden. I'm getting in the garden, mate. You can look in the garden, sit in my garden. Gosh. But in the garden is a no-go. Frankie? Chippy? Bird formation. It'll do this all day, whānau. Oh my gosh, now we've got other ones doing it. Here's our kitten. See, there's the sun down there. That's why the garden bed down there will be like the herb garden. It gets the least amount of sun. But look how much sun these ones get. You like the full sun in here. Up the front. That's us whānau. I guess our cats over there, they're playing. Can you see that? And there's the other one over there. Here they go. Used to. What are you up to? Hey, Chippy and Frankie, be nice. Be nice. What are you up to? No? Be good, used to. It's a good morning.